Hello there, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike making another video today. This is going to be a good one. This is going to be a video on a custom painting and decaling offering I have, and a customer subscriber sent me a whole box of parts to paint and decal. So look how big this box is. A new one. So let's open it up and see what we got. If everybody's ready, here we go. Here's what was in the box. I found this in there. It's got a return envelope. It's from Dan in Maryland. Dan in Maryland. Got a note inside. It says, I am using vintage outboard paint, fast dry acrylic enamel for the remaining parts. Johnson Holiday Brown 1957 JNHB 57. I think it's a 35. So he's telling me that he's using the vintage outboard paint, fast acrylic enamel, which is what I use, so it'll match when I do the work. So 1957 Holiday Bronze. Let's take the bubble wrap off and see what parts we got inside. All right, so looks like we got a hood. It's been sanded already. That's the hood for a 35, 1957. And he told me by email that he had a 3 horsepower. He wanted done too. So I think he's got the rewind starter, the gas tank, and the cowling support bracket. Let's take all this apart and see what we got. Right, so as you can see, we got the cowling for a 35 horsepower, and then we got all the parts here for a 3 horsepower. He even put notes for white, no paint needed on the inside. No paint needed on the inside. Pretty cool. You got it all sanded down ready. That's very nice. Here's the rewind starter. And here's the cowling support. Looks like he's got a primer on this. All right, so well packed, well shipped. Let's get her done, get her all painted. I'm going to correspond with him one more time to make sure these are 1957. One more time, because 57 and 58 got two different colors. I'm going to correspond with him one more time, and then I'll show you the process and how they're all painted and decaled. Here we go. All right, I got the painting done on the 1957 Holiday Bronze and the 1957 Cream color. Got the hood done right here, rear wind starter bracket, gas tank for the 3 horsepower, and the lower cowling for the 3 horsepower. This is for the 35. It's all looking good, just waiting on putting decals, letting her dry for about a week before I put the decals on. And then we're ready to ship her back. Well, all right, we're finished with the custom decal and painting for Dan in Maine. Dan in Maine came out really nice. Took my time, got an original paint job, vintage outboard paints. It's going to match what Dan is doing with his motor. Decals have been put on. Nice. Came out really well. I'm going to pack them back in the box just the way Dan shipped them to me. And it ought to come out great when he gets them back. So I enjoyed this. If anybody out there needs their hoods or any part of their motor painted and custom decal, just go to my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com, and click on custom painting and decal, and contact me. I'll give you pricing and a delivery date on when I can get it done. I love what I do. This is my passion. Keep them coming. See y'all next video. Hey, you want to win a free prize? That's right, Team Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to Team Mike's website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for Team Mike's trivia quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right. On the form, also, when you get there, at the bottom, it's got a section for a message. It says, talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with Team Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to Team Mike's website, tmikevintageoutboards.com, click on Team Mike's trivia quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson & Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.